Okay, guys, we're going to be doing Arnold presses, okay? So you're going to grab 2 dumbbells, something you could do properly with good form. Okay, you're going to start right here. You're going to push up. You're going to go down, okay? Right here, you stop at 90 degrees, okay? You don't want to go lower than that. So you're going to stop here. You're going to twist in. You're going to twist out, keeping it at 90 degrees. Push up, down, push in, out, up. Biggest thing, guys, don't drop here. You don't want to do that, okay? Keep it at 90 degrees. It's going to keep constant tension. It's hard, but you got this. Down, twist in, twist out, and up, okay? Just like that. Same thing here. When you go up, don't touch the dumbbells. Keep it outside your body, outside your shoulders. Down. Up. Twist. Out. Up. Those are Arnold presses.